Arena of Valor is arguably the most popular video game in the world, recording over 200 million players, before it debuted in North America in December. Compare that with other online box office successes such as League of Legends 103 million players until 2016, Overwatch 40 million players since May and Fortnite 125 million players until June, and Arena of Valor's reach is clear. One reason it has been able to accumulate a large following is its delivery method. Arena of Valor, known as Honor of Kings in China, is a game for mobile devices, which can be played on the most popular portable devices in the world. Developer Tencent is looking to further expand that market in September with the launch of Arena of Valor on the Switch, Nintendo's portable living room console. However, the Arena of Valor that lands on Switch will be a separate version of the game altogether. The developers are taking advantage of Switch's processing capabilities, and have updated graphics and animations in the new version, tweaking lighting effects, smoothing rough lines and adding elements like butterflies fluttering to maps. More importantly, Switch's heroes have slightly different statistics than the mobile version, since the developers have worked to balance the game as it develops on the big screen and with the real drivers.